Welcome to this new video where I'm going to teach you how to play pumped up kicks by Foster and the People. You can download the tabs for free via the link in the description, and don't forget to like this video if you learned something. Now I'm going to show you how to play the riff, and if you want to play along with Spotify or YouTube with the original song, you have to place your capo on the first fret of your guitar. But not everyone has a capo, so I'm going to show you how to play this riff without the capo. You have to start on the thick E string and you have to play it 3 times. One more time. And after this note we have to play 3rd fret of the thick E string. Then we have to play the open D string. And then the open A string. So, open E string. 3rd fret of the E string, open D string, open A string, and repeat, and. So this doesn't sound as the riff of pumped up kicks at all. So we have to add little notes to play to the 2nd note and to the 3rd note and to the 4th note. So from thick E string we have to play the 2nd fret of the thick E string to go to the 3rd fret of the thick E string. So one more time. Open, open, open 2nd, 3rd fret. And that's the first part of this riff. And to go from the 3rd fret of the thick E string, if we want to go to the open D string, you have to play the open A string, 2nd fret of the A string, and then you can play the D string. So, one more time. Open 2nd, open D string. One more time. So, from the start. And to go back from the open D string to the open A string, and you have to play the 2nd fret of the A string. So from the start. And to go back from the open A string to the open E string, you have to play the 2nd fret of the thick E string. So one more time. And open, 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 2nd fret E string. So now we're going to play this whole riff, and you can read along with the tabs in the bottom of this video. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With this part of the riff you can play along with the whole song, but every 2nd time you play the riff you have to make a small variation, and that's what we're going to look at now. The first part of the riff is exactly the same. But then you have to play the open D string, and to go to the open A string you have to play a hammer-on pull-off to the 2nd fret of the D string. So open, open. And with the hammer-on pull-off you have to play the string once. So only the open D string. Then you have to hammer your index finger to the open string on the 2nd fret. And then make a pull when you release the string. So. And then you have to play the 2nd fret of the A string to go to the open A string. And then you have to make a hammer-on pull-off on the A string as well to go back to the open E string. and then you have to play the 2nd fret on the thick E string to go back to the open E string. So. So now we're going to play the whole riff. So the first part without the variation, and the second time you have to play it with the variation. And when you play along with the song, you have to play the first part, the second part, first part, second part, first part, etc. So before the play along, I want you to know that you can download the tab via the link in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Good luck with the play along.